Coffee, coffee, coffee. Cakes, 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 and cover. Can't go to the garage without coffee. So back down the garage for another day. Came down to give Aaron a hand, polish this pink turd, even though it's not pink, he didn't do it pink. So we'll turn the camera around and have a quick look. So the CRX is partially sanded down. Aaron done it, so it's just bits and pieces down here that need to be wet sanded with 2000 and 3000, and then the car is getting polished tomorrow by Reaper. So what we're doing is the wheels are off the car and they're here, so we're just going to sand the faces of the wheels and then scotch the rest of them, and they are getting painted. Now the four wheels are prepped and we're just going to give them a quick scotch and then a clean over, and then tape up the wheels and spray them. Now the wheels are painted. Aaron's just back there mixing up the lacquer for the wheels. Well, Jesus, paint really does, well, a good paint job really does make the difference to a shitty set of wheels. But apparently they're not shitty wheels. They're BRW Japanese lightweight race wheels with no stamps on them whatsoever, which is weird. But yeah, Aaron's going to mix up the lacquer there and he's going to shoot them, and we'll see what they look like after. Three coats of lacquer. So Aaron's just finishing off lacquering them wheels. I am going to come back down tomorrow when Reaper will be down here to polish the car, so we will see the paint to its full potential tomorrow. Hopefully it really does look good. So yeah, I'll pick up this video tomorrow and we'll enjoy it together, guys, because the CRX, I've only seen the back bumper on it. I haven't seen the full car properly, so we'll get back to it tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you leave a like, drop a comment, let me know if you like the wheels. What is up, everybody? Just back down at the garage just for an update for the end of the video with the CRX build. I'm just going to turn on these bright lights because the car looks incredible. So Reaper came down last night. I didn't get to come down. He came down and he polished the rear quarters. Wow. The boot lid, the back bumper still needs another little wipe over, but it looks really good. He done this quarter panel here, passenger door, and passenger wing, and I think he done the front bumper. He done a bit on the front bumper. So all that's left to do is the top there, front and back, the bonnet, this side of the bumper, this wing and the driver door. But I have to say, look at that finish. And he said it still needs to get like a ceramic coating on it, which will bring the paint out even better. But when you get to a certain light on the car, it changes from like, oh, it's awesome. The car looks black from here, and then when you look at it in the light and it turns, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it looks amazing. It's completely the right colour for the car. And then the wheels, wow, they are going to be extra sexy on the KRX. Unbelievable. It's going to be a different car, literally a different car with that colour and them wheels on it. I'd love to put them on, but that's Aaron's baby. I'm going to let him do it and see the transformation with the car, because wheels make a car. If the wheels look shit on a car, the car looks shit. So yeah guys, that's the update for the KRX for tonight. I will be back down during the week, maybe next week, and we'll get the car fully polished, all put back together, lights in, wheels on, drop down, and then we have to work on this mess. So guys, it's been real. I really do appreciate if they give the video a like, comment on the video, and make sure if you aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Maybe in the next video we'll be finishing this and we'll be doing a few bits on the Fiat. So make sure you're subscribed for that. Make sure you turn on them notifications, smash that bell notification there so you'll get updates when I upload a new video, which used to be every Friday, but now I'm doing it every week or two, maybe 3 weeks, because I'm just super busy, kids and life. That's the good thing about this channel, guys. I'm a family man. I have life to deal with, children, wife, bills, cars, everything. Busy, busy, busy. But I still get it done, and so can you. All you need to be is dedicated. So don't forget, guys, to your dream bills, your dream cars, be dedicated, get them done, and enjoy them. For now, it's peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.